So, yes, I had had this experience of working with someone who I esteemed, and I thought that this would be the path for the rest of my life, or at least a lot of it. And then not being offered a contract past that, those were the facts. But my interpretation, which looked like I'm a failure, I'm not good enough, I should quit, I should give up, no one will hire me now, I don't have a future in dance, I don't know what to do. And I really lived inside of that for a lot of years until this moment when I was 35. And the result of it wasn't indeed an epiphany, was I suddenly had a blank canvas. I was not bound by the heartbreak of that experience. I was able to walk out on a Sunday night and thinking, gosh, what dance class do I want to go to in New York City tomorrow?